Today we're looking at some modal verbs. I'm going to put the modal verbs into some sentences for you. The modal verbs we're looking at today are must, could, have to, might, should, can, and we're going to put will, may not, and must not, should not. I'm going to put some nots in there as well. Okay, so my name is Margaret. Welcome to my channel. We're going to look at modal verbs today. My friends have to read my message. My friends have to read my message. I should review for the test because it's tomorrow. I cannot wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I find it really hard. My classmate must win the contest. She must win. Children have to play out sports outside. Children have to play sports outside. It may rain tomorrow, so I must take an umbrella. Could I have some water, please? I can finish this early. Just a nice short little video today, just using modal verbs. Hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.